everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the #1 opportunities discovering platform. We're back with another video. In this video, we're going to give you details about paid internship program from UNICEF. Applications are now open for the UNICEF Internship Program 2022. UNICEF provides internships for students from all around the world. The vision is to help students secure their future and avail themselves of the desired field experience. Every year, UNICEF provides the internship from the students who want to pursue it. The new UNICEF internship opportunity will be available for all bachelor's, master's, and PhD students. This is the golden ticket for the students who want to start their careers from scratch. The most significant advantage of the internship is that students from worldwide can apply. UNICEF is operational in more than 190 countries and the Agency of United Nations with its headquarters in New York. The eligibility criteria of the UNICEF internship: student must be international undergraduate or postgraduate student from any country. Student must be enrolled in a graduate, undergraduate, or PhD program or have graduated from the degree within the past 2 years. Applicant must be an expert in at least one of the UNICEF working languages, for example, English, Spanish, or French. Applicants must have excellent academic performance. Applicants should not have an immediate relative working with UNICEF. The candidate must be at least 18 years of age or above. The benefits of the internship program: a monthly stipend would be provided to the candidate. They will get contribution to the living expenses, a one-time contribution towards visa and travel costs. To apply for this internship program, you have to complete and submit an online recruitment profile and a CV and a cover letter. To apply for this internship program, click on the link given in the description section of this video, and from that link, follow these steps given in this video to apply for the UNICEF internship program. Click on Apply Now, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. After clicking on Apply Now, you will be redirected to the UNICEF Current Vacancies page. On this page, you can view the vacancies available. There are different internship programs available on the website. The deadline is also given. We'll show you a tutorial for this internship program. The deadline is 10th May 2021 and the internship is Case Management, Country Office Development and Support, Division of Private Fundraising and Partnerships. Click on this link, then click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, a new window will open which says Begin Application. You have to add in your email address and then click on Next. You can either add in your resume, that will save time and you will have pre-filled information on your application. To upload your resume, click on Upload Resume, and if you don't want to upload a resume and want to fill your application, click on Continue. You have to add in your personal details, your title, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, your gender, your email address, your current address, city, country, state, province, your phone number. Then you have to add in your nationality, and if you have more than one nationality, then you have to select those. Your UNICEF employment status, a password, and then click on Save and Continue to move to the next step. After adding in your personal details, you have to add details about your nationality. Are you a national of a country where this position is based? Click on Yes or No. Have you taken any legal steps towards changing your present nationality? Yes or no. Please select your nationality, preferred work type, select from the availability, available after a certain date, available immediately, currently unavailable for employment, and notice with current employer required. In this section, you have to tell if you are available to work right now or you will work afterwards. Click on Continue after answering these questions to move to the next step. Then you have to give details about your education. For internship, completion of secondary education is required. Please indicate your highest level of education, highest level of completed education. To add more education, click on the button below if you want to add more details about your education, and then click on Continue. After adding in your educational details, you have to add details about your employment history. Please indicate your years of professional work experience relevant to the internship applied for. Do you possess any full-time paid work experience outside your country of nationality? Do you have a background or experience working with emergency country context? Please detail your employment experience below, current and most recent employer, add more details about your employer number 2 and employer number 3, and if you want to add more, click on add more button and then click on continue. Then give details about your funding. Will you receive any funding for your internship from your university or any other institution? Yes or no? And then click on continue. Give details about your languages. Please list all the languages you have a proficiency in, including English. You have to give at least details about one language. You have to give details about your proficiency, your computer skills. Select the options that you're most proficient in and then click on continue. Then you have to give details about self-disclosure. Other than for a minor traffic violation, have you ever been convicted or punished in any country for violating any law? Are you currently under investigation or prosecution in any country for violating any law? Have you ever been disciplined for sexual misconduct or any other form of misconduct by an employer or professional association? Have you ever left an employer or professional association while it was investigation or examining sexual or any other form of misconduct? Are you currently being examined? Yes or no? Are you now or have you ever been a civil servant in any government's employ? Have you ever been formally identified as a risk to children by a government agency? Are you married to someone who is currently under age 18? Are any of your relatives employed by a UN organization other than UNICEF? Are any of your relatives employed by UNICEF? Answer these questions and then click on continue. Then you have to give details about diversity and inclusion. As per the UNCRPD, do you identify as a person with a disability? Which of the following disabilities do you identify with? Please check all that apply. And then click on continue. Application sourcing feedback. How did you first hear about the position? Select from the drop-down list. And then click on continue. The final step is you have to upload your documents. You have to upload your resume, your cover letter, upload a copy of your highest level of education certificate, any other supporting documents, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, your application will be submitted. Thank you so much for your interest in this video, and we will be back with more videos.